Hey guys, this is your boy Linus with a new video. I just wanted to talk to you about a very specific and important topic, especially now around the year's end and the beginning of 2026. And I'm just gonna tell you beforehand, this video is gonna be very unpleasant, but I guess this piece of information is what most people don't tell you and what you're definitely gonna need now that 2025 comes to a close and most of us are gonna face the moment of truth, being the one submitting our tax statements for the year. I mean, I already had a feeling that most of the people watching this channel, well, I don't only have a feeling, but I know, like once checking the statistics, that about 50% of all viewers of this channel are either based in the US and Canada or the United Kingdom or somewhere around in the EU. And all of these regions have one thing in common, which is a very, very flawed legislation. And for the crypto topic, this specifically means a lot of taxes. I'm afraid that most people don't really have an idea how to declare crypto taxes on gains they made on, for example, XRP this year. It was very easy. So I guess a lot of people made a lot of gains in the US, in Canada, in the EU, doesn't matter. And they literally sell their XRP on their KYC verified exchange and they just do nothing. They don't declare it, they don't name it anywhere. And well, I mean, there could come in a letter at some point. At least this is what happened in Canada. To be specific on this, the Canada Revenue Agency flags 40% of crypto users for potential tax evasion. And I swear you guys, this is just the beginning. It's not like, well, it's Canada, I'm based in the US, I don't care. Forget about this, guys, it doesn't work. If you're based in the US, you're gonna have to pay freaking taxes on your crypto and also on XRP. Because the Clarity Act that enables users to not pay any capital gain taxes on US-based crypto is not active yet, which means for 2025 gains, which was like 6x on XRP if you bought and sold it right, that can be very significant. But let's get back to Canada and why this is a very interesting topic also for people from other regions, is that they actually hired a team of crypto asset auditors that have been actively mining crypto transactions and payouts for unpaid taxes. And non-surprisingly, they actually reaped more than $100 million in taxes over the last 3 years, which are 2022 to 2024, and 2025 is coming right in, so I guess they're gonna collect some more millions. And what makes this so risky for us EU residents or people from the US is that if Canada is actually so successful and they're reaping so many millions of dollars off of unpaid crypto taxes because either people just don't care or they don't know how to declare it, that makes it so attractive, doesn't it? Like honestly, if I was any of these legislations, I would go through hell to collect this amount of cash. I know, for the state it's not much, but imagine you just had to hire 35 auditors to collect multiple $100 millions in taxes. That sounds like a great deal to me, to be honest. I mean, I'm not a politician, I don't know. But just by bare thinking, this sounds like an undeniable deal. And the EU specifically is very known for right now developing a very strict crypto framework under the new MiCA regulation, which is gonna prevent USDT from being traded specifically, and a lot of AML shit coming up in 2026 and 2027. But this is a topic for another video. The current data in Canada shows that approximately 15%, I knew the guy is called 15 cent, not 50 cent. I mean, prove me wrong. 15% of Canadian taxpayers who use crypto asset platforms have not filed their taxes on time or at all. And another 30% have done it, but like either they are fraudsters or they don't know how to do it, but they have been categorized as high risk for non-compliance. Meaning that almost half of all crypto users in Canada have done wrong or no tax statements. And I feel like this is very likely to be the case in the US, definitely. So to sum it up, what I want to give you on your way to doing your 2025 tax statement regarding crypto is that you definitely, be it that you're based in the EU or the US or the UK, it doesn't really matter. Because there's one thing that they have in common, which is they often update these regulations, and of course they don't inform you about it. Which means that what you did 2022 to get around your crypto taxes, declaring like, I don't know, losses, nothing in your tax statement, might not work anymore in 2025, might even result in penalties. So I really want to give you this as a takeaway to make some research. It's really not difficult. You can literally search for US crypto taxes. You can go on the first 2-3 websites and you can get a lot of information out of it already. And same goes for EU or UK residents. You're usually gonna pay between 25 and 30% on all profits that you made in crypto. But very importantly, this only takes place once you change your crypto for fiat. Which means if you sell BTC and you buy USDT and you buy another asset, this is not gonna be taxed for now. Until you change it into euros or US dollars respectively in the US, then it's going to be taxed. So please be aware of this. Take your time, do some research. If you need it, contact somebody who can help you with this, like, I don't know, a tax advisor or a lawyer. Of course, this only applies if you bought like XRP. If you bought Shiba Inu and you literally lost 75% over the course of this year, then you don't have to worry about all of this. In that case, you would literally just need to make your mind about being a freaking broke ass. With that said, thanks for watching, guys. Please consider liking and subscribing these videos. I literally make them for free. There is no ad income at this channel size. So this would really help out much to keep up doing these videos, and see you next time.